In a surprising turn of events, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder of Paytm Payments Bank, has stepped down from his role as part-time non-executive chairman and board member. This shocking development has sent tremors through India's fintech landscape, stirring a whirlpool of questions and speculations. Why would the founder of a leading fintech company step down at such a critical juncture? The answer may lie in a combination of strategic reshuffling and mounting regulatory challenges. Sharma's unexpected resignation is a ripple that has disrupted the calm surface of the fintech waters. It's a move that underscores the broader concerns about the survival of Paytm Payments Bank amidst an environment of regulatory uncertainties and rapidly evolving market dynamics. Despite Sharma's efforts to salvage value from the bank by stepping down, doubts remain about its ability to weather the storm. This unexpected move has led to speculation about the future of Paytm's banking arm. As the ripple of this resignation continues to spread, it's clear that the fintech landscape in India is on the brink of significant change. According to Macquarie, a leading foreign brokerage, Sharma's resignation highlights broader concerns about the survival of Paytm Payments Bank in the midst of regulatory uncertainties and changing market dynamics. Macquarie's assessment of the situation suggests that Sharma's departure could be an attempt to signal compliance with regulatory directives, particularly those issued by the Reserve Bank of India. It's a strategic move, one that carries the scent of survival tactics amidst a storm of regulatory changes. However, it's not all clear skies ahead. There are still lingering questions, ones that could cast long shadows over the bank's future. Questions about regulatory relaxation and the potential limitations on related party transactions between Paytm and its banking arm. These questions, unanswered as they are, create an atmosphere of uncertainty. The looming questions about regulatory relaxation and potential limitations on related party transactions between Paytm and its banking arm cast a shadow over the bank's future. In response to Sharma's exit, Paytm has announced a reconstituted board for its banking arm, led by ex-Central Bank of India Chairman Srinivasan Sridhar. This marks a pivotal moment in the bank's evolution, signaling a shift towards a board comprised solely of independent and executive directors. This move underscores Paytm's commitment to governance and compliance, emphasizing its intention to adapt to regulatory changes and maintain its position within the fintech landscape. However, this leadership transition is not without its challenges. The regulatory turbulence that has accompanied Sharma's departure has raised concerns among some of Paytm's lending partners. Reports suggest that these partners are re-evaluating their relationships with Paytm, casting a shadow over the future of the bank's lending business. The impact of this scrutiny is already being felt, as Paytm has temporarily suspended fresh deposits and credit transactions. This action highlights the magnitude of the regulatory pressures facing the institution and serves as a stark reminder of the challenges that lie ahead. With the suspension of fresh deposits and credit transactions, the regulatory scrutiny facing the institution is apparent. As Paytm Payments Bank navigates its path under new leadership, the fintech industry braces itself for regulatory developments that could alter the landscape. The impending regulatory interventions and ongoing deliberations present a complex maze that the banking arm of Paytm has to traverse. The outcomes of these processes will undoubtedly carve the trajectory of Paytm Payments Bank and could potentially shift market sentiments towards fintech ventures in India. In the midst of these uncertainties, stakeholders must remain watchful and flexible, adapting to emerging trends and regulatory directives. The ability of Paytm Payments Bank to sail through these regulatory winds while seizing new opportunities will define its course in the evolving fintech ecosystem. Stay tuned as this unfolding saga reshapes India's fintech narrative, illuminating pathways for innovation and growth. The road may be challenging, but Paytm Payments Bank aims to navigate towards a brighter future.